skip if you want
Can we
to.
skip?
Hi, we're Dave and Vula. And today on Get On Your Hike,
No? What about...
Get on your hike?
drop the hike. Today, I'm talking very loudly because we're next to a gorge and now there's a helicopter as well. I was doing it originally because it makes documentaries more exciting, but we're really just walking next to a gorge in a noisy area and it's not very exciting at all.
See, this is the gorge we're walking beside, which is why it's so noisy. And then there's a road.
Today we're going to Kanmangafuchi Abyss, which is easier
Very
to
good.
say than... Yeah,
Did
thank
you
you.
actually get it right, though?
I hope so. We're off to an abyss, which always
I
sounds
think we're next to
dangerous.
the abyss.
But yeah, today's out and about is us heading to an abyss.
You mentioned that 3 times so far. Can you tell we're going to an abyss?
Shall I return to the angry voice? Sounds like we're on an exciting hike.
I'm yelling and I don't know why. Those of you who are children of the 80s will remember that phrase.
And those of you who don't, you're probably fast forwarding. Yeah, we're off
Don't
somewhere.
say it.
Somewhere good.
Don't
And
say it.
we've been passed by the 4,000 people that have taken the option of taking the bus. He's on an episode of Get On Your Bike, but we're on Get On Your Hike.
We're not being passed by pensioners at this point. So
No,
it's good.
it's relatively flat terrain so far. We're managing.
There's a fork in the road. Which way do we go?
Always go left.
Always go left.
I think that is actually the right way for a change.
Okay. Oh, we missed Nessie. That duck, swan, crane, whatever it is, was floating down the raging rapids.
Now I'm happy I didn't have the dark bit either Wonderland yesterday.
How do we scare bears? Apparently we have to carry something around with us that makes a lot of noise, and we didn't bring a bell.
So we're going to start talking loudly like we're on that show again.
We should probably carry a bell around.
Yeah.
Doesn't your phone have like an app or something that makes bell noises?
It might have, but I'm just keeping my peepers peeled for any side of bears. How much further is the abyss and when are we leaving? It'd be a shame if this was the last video.
Oh, well, if you don't see any more, then you know this was it for us. So, thanks everybody. Bye.
We've said that in every video so far.
I didn't die after eating that soup, though.
No.
See?
All you got to do is keep an eye out for bears.
There's a shrine here
Right.
to protect you against bears. Why are you walking into me?
I keep disappearing off camera like...
We'll come
Here he
closer. And there he goes. And are you coming back?
I
There
am.
you are.
I'm just keeping an eye out for bears. October is the time for them to be foraging for stuff for hibernation, but
Correctamundo, Monfrendo.
hopefully not us.
Dave's gone off to stay with the people with bear bells, and I'm gone down here to potentially get attacked by bears in the beautiful water. So not wearing the appropriate footwear for this. Woo.
Are you filming me?
Yes, I'm filming you.
Oh wow. And now we're on a bridge. I can't keep that. I can't keep
That
that.
voice will make your throat
Drop the
hoarse.
hike.
Really pretty. And free. Very, very free. It's a sweet little bridge. Like, it's meant to look a little bit, I don't know, Brooklyn Bridge.
A couple of turrets and you got Tower Bridge. More importantly, no bears.
Hopefully that will remain that way. Sans bears would be great.